In this segment, I want to talk about the response to questioning if you're stopped for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. One of the first questions that the police are always going to ask is, have you been drinking? And if you respond yes, they're going to ask how much. And I can guarantee you, having watched hundreds, if not thousands, of videos, everybody that's ever been stopped by the police has drank 2 or 3 beers. It's amazing. Maybe that's all that the bars serve, or maybe that's all that people think they should have before they hop in a car, but that's the universal answer. So guess what? The police have probably heard it a lot more than I have, so they're going to expect you to say 2 or 3 beers, and no matter what you say, they're not going to believe you. So if you say you've had 1 beer, that's not going to prevent them from going ahead and administering the field sobriety test and doing any further investigation that they feel is necessary. So if you're asked how much you had to drink, just politely decline to answer, and it's even better if you don't ever get that far. They don't really need to ask you if you've had anything to drink because they can probably smell it. So all you're doing is confirming their suspicion. Again, it's not something that you have to answer. But when you do, you're not going to help yourself out by saying 2 or 3. And the flip side of that doesn't help you out either. So don't say 10 or 15. They probably will believe that. Now, just one more thing that you need to be aware of. Of course, the best advice that anyone can give is to don't drink and drive. That's not the law, but it's the way that you can at least protect yourself as best you can against getting hauled into court and having to defend against a DWI charge.